Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how to add new Wi-Fi network in Windows 10. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and liking the video. So if you need to add new Wi-Fi network in your computer, first you have to go to your start menu here and just tap on setting. In this menu you need to choose network and internet, the fourth option, and in the left side menu go to Wi-Fi, and there's option called manage known networks. Just tap on it, and these are the already connected Wi-Fi networks for this computer. And if you add to new one, just tap on add a new network, and you have to give the network name according to your Wi-Fi network. As an example, if you think it is ABC, then just type the name and tap on security type. You have to give the security type for that Wi-Fi network. If you only using you just give it as open. Then there are two options here. First one is connect automatically. If you need to that Wi-Fi network connect in the range with this computer and automatically should be connected, just tap on connect automatically. And yeah, those are the options you have to set up. Then after, just tap on save. I'm not going to create that one. And security key you have to give. Security key is the password of the Wi-Fi network. It is given by your own password. After setting those things, just tap on save. Then it will be added to your manage known networks list. After that, when that Wi-Fi is connected to your computer, just go to this action center. Sorry about that. Just in the taskbar you can see there is a Wi-Fi icon. Just tap on it. In this list you will see that Wi-Fi network. What you have to do is just tap on that network and connect with it. So this is how you can add new Wi-Fi network to your Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.